name is Keisha, and I am a librarian here at the Whitehaven Branch Library. And I'd like to welcome you back to another episode of Easy Home Recipes and Activities. Today, I'm going to do a DIY with you, a stress ball. I know in this precarious time of pandemic, there's a lot of stress, tension, and angst going on. I'm going to give you a cute little DIY that literally is going to help you relieve some stress. Now, what is a stress ball? It's a hand exercise tool that can relieve tension in your hands and actually relieve stress out of the body. You're feeling angry, you're feeling mad, you're feeling upset, you have angst going on. Grab your stress ball and just go away with it. Here's a demonstration. Take it out on your stress ball. Yeah. Little cute face. Your big brother is bothering you at home. Grab your stress ball. Real simple, real easy. You're gonna need a 12-inch in diameter balloon and 1 canister of Play-Doh. And if you like to draw a face on your stress ball, 1 Sharpie. That's all. Let's get started. First, you're gonna take your Play-Doh, any kind of Play-Doh, any color, doesn't matter. You're gonna roll it into the thinnest way. Almost like rolling a cookie. All this is gonna stuff into your balloon though. This will make it easier for it to be able to fit into your balloon. Okay, I'm gonna take just a little portion, open the balloon. You may need a little help with this part, but that's okay. If you have to do it by yourself, it's not the most difficult thing to do. You can do it. Fit that Play-Doh on in there. You're gonna fit the whole container full of Play-Doh in your balloon. Slide it in as best you can. And once you have it all in there, we will have a stress ball whenever you're feeling a little anxiety or stress in your body. I understand. This is a trying time. And it's difficult, and we are all feeling a little stress, a little anxiety. This is a fun way to relieve it. Just keep on stuffing till it all is in there. And you're gonna have a little Play-Doh probably left on the side of your balloon, but that's okay. Manipulate it down until it fits inside the balloon. All right. Try not to stretch where the balloon will tear. There we go. It's getting there. Oh no. We're gonna get it all in there. The activity, even in putting in your Play-Doh inside of your balloon, can help to relieve stress because you're focused on maintaining your balloon and not on outside stressors. Okay, I'm gonna go in there. Stick it in there. Get in there. Again, we may have a little bit left out, but that's okay. Okay. And you're going to twist it and tie it in. I have a little bit of Play-Doh left in the top. It's kind of difficult for me, but that's okay. One more time. Third time is the go there. There you have it. Push it all together. And relieve some of the Play-Doh off. Again, if you want to make this into a little funny face, you can. A couple of eyes, a little smile, or you can make it into a frown, whatever you like. You don't have to be Picasso in order to make the face. I'm gonna do a little cleanup here. Right. So, just a little Play-Doh left on the balloon, but again, that's okay. Clean up. There you have it. 12-inch balloon, Play-Doh. You're having some issues today. You're feeling a little stressed. You're sitting at a desk trying to complete homework since school will be in soon or what have you, and you just want to just get away or want to say, hey, I'm tired, I'm frustrated, I'm angry, or what have you, and you're about to tear your hair out, just grab your DIY stress ball, say, I'm gonna make it. I will not let this world take me down. I am gonna do this. My brother will not get on my last nerve. DIY stress ball. Thank you for participating with me today. I hope this was fun for you as it was for me. Till next time.